Good morning students. Today we are going to start exercise 5.5 of a chapter number 5, multiples and factors. So students, in the previous videos we learned about the divisibility, about the even numbers, about odd numbers, multiples, factors, etc. Right? Now today I will tell you about the prime number and composite number. Right? Now students, what is a prime number? Prime number, a number which has only two factors. A number which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, is called the prime number. So what we say, a number which has only two factors, that is 1 and number itself. Suppose there is a 2. Factor of 2 are 1 multiply 2, 2 multiply 1, which is 1 or 2. So 1 and number itself, it is called the prime number. Now second one is composite number, a number which has more than two factors. A number which has more than two factors. Right? 8 multiply 1 is 8, 4 multiply 2 is 8, 2 multiply 4 is 8, and 1 multiply 8 is 8. So more than two factors, these are called the composite number. Right? Now come on, exercise. Yes students, first is fill in blanks. I read the blanks and listen carefully. The only even prime number. Even prime number. Now prime number is what? I write there the prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. You can say that number which is not come in any table. Right? It is called the prime number, or you can say that whose factor are 1 and the number itself, it is called the prime number. Now only even prime number. Even prime number is what? That is 2. Even prime number is 2. Even prime number is 2. Smallest prime number. Smallest, this one is the first number, this is the smallest number. So smallest prime number is 2. Dash is neither prime nor composite. A number which is not prime nor composite, that is a 1. 1 is not a prime number, not a composite number. The smallest odd prime number, this one is odd number, 3. It is not divisible by 2. So 3 is what? 3 is odd number, and smallest prime odd number is 3. So you can say 3 is smallest number. Right? There are 13 composite number between 11 and 30. 13 numbers, composite numbers. Right? Now come on a question number 2. List all the prime numbers between 1 to 10. Question number 2. List all the prime number between 1 to 10. Now 1 to 10, prime number is 2, 3, 5, 7. Now 11 is not, because we write between 1 to 10. So these are prime numbers. Now see question number 3. List all the prime numbers between 30 and 50. list all the prime number between 30 and 50. Now see, 31 is prime number, 32 is not, 33, 34, 35, 36. Now 37 is prime number, 38 not, 39 not, 40 not, 41 is prime number, 42 is not, 43 and 47. These are what? These are prime numbers. These are what? These are prime numbers. Write two consecutive prime numbers, that is 2 and 3. Right? With this, your exercise is complete. Students, try to solve these 5 exercises. Thank you and have a nice day.